funny how the story goes. Little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so.
Hey, what's up, y'all? And it's a new day. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We are 5 days in our move. That's crazy. Dang, 5 days? We're not 5 days in. You thought it was Wednesday? Nobody's been able to keep up with the days, the time, nothing, none of that. We've just been like on autopilot since we moved on Friday. I didn't even realize it's been 5 days. Is that right? What day we moved?
46.
It's been 4 days.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's been 4 days since we've been in our new home. And we are absolutely loving it. Like, everybody is so excited. We just got so much time, space now. And then there goes Shy eating some cereal. So we did the kitchen yesterday, and we still have some stuff to do in the living room, barn door. Still gotta get that redone, get it off the floor. I think I'm gonna go ahead and start this towel now. So I can go ahead and get that out of the way. Well, actually I have this little box right here of living room supplies, decor items. So I think I'm actually gonna go ahead, unbox that stuff real quick so I can get it out of the way and get that box out of here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and tackle the fireplace. So keep on watching, stay tuned, and be ready. Be ready, be ready, be ready, be ready for the reveal, 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 for the reveal. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, so that didn't take long at all, which I'm glad. So now I got everything out. All this stuff came from the old house. Now I'm just going to put it in the dining room to the side for now and go ahead and start the tile. So ready to see the end result of that. Here I am lining up the peel and stick towel so that I can go ahead and cut off the edges so that I can have a nice smooth start. Next, I am going to just put it against the surface of where I'm wanting to lay the towel so that I can go ahead and get my measurements. I did measure about 2 to 3 different times just to make sure my measurements were accurate. And when I went to the side, I went ahead and went down the side because most of the time it's not always perfectly aligned, your walls and stuff. So I did go all the way up and down to make sure everything was accurate. Here is a template of my measurements just so that I can keep track of what I'm doing along the way. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and start the actual peel and stick process. And what I love about this towel is that it's very user friendly. So basically, you won't have to worry about making any mistakes because you can just peel it back up, stick it back down with no issue. It's not too tacky where you can't peel it up and put it back down. So that's what I really like about it. here, what I began to realize is that if you look along the border, you can see the white peeking through from the existing brick tile, and I really did not like that. So I got some black paint and I painted the whole entire border black on the outside and inside, anywhere that you could basically see white, because I didn't want anything white to be peeking through. I wanted to have nice, clean, crisp black lines all throughout. So I went ahead and did that. Here, I didn't like how the two black tiles were side by side, so I got another piece of tile and I just basically had to maneuver with it and fold it and cut it so that I can have a different pattern and it wouldn't be the black and black next to each other. here is the end result, and let me just say I absolutely love how it turned out. It's so modern and clean and sleek. I love the pattern of the towel. It was very, very easy and user-friendly. I highly recommend getting some peel and stick towel. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and stay tuned and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so that you can see the videos to come. Thank you.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd.